state of mind, faded to gray, and as I ran away, I knew what to say. My rabid need for confidence is let me frothing at the mouth, so I spat out, someone help me, and felt sorry for myself. But I'll just go and watch the cars pass by my window. I think I'm apathetic, or just flat out pathetic. You would know. Get cold, I'll think of hope. Say what you want, say what you need. My head is a cave where I've been digging graves for you and me. Oh, my back and forth coming thoughts shook the words right through my teeth, where I turned black and blue. I just keep thinking that I'm golden, that this will make sense when I'm old. But each and every step I take leads me further from the door. Get cold, I'll think of hope. Say what you want, say what you need. My head is a cave where I've been digging graves for you and me. West Coast blues, each and every day I just think of you. Startled by my sleight of hand, and how it never fails to come back in the end. I know I'll end up somewhere in between here and my home, and all I ever hear from you is, will it be soon?